Hello mga besh! Good day! It's me again, your beshi Geramar. Sa mga langga ko, sa mga amegas ko, sa mga ka-IVUs ko, and of course sa mga kabeshies ko. Hello! Welcome to Hello mga beshies channel! So for today's video mga besh, we will be doing again the basic Thai words. So sa mga nakapanood sa previous video ko na basic Thai words, yes, thank you so much. Kapun krab sa inyo, sa inyong lahat. Sawadi krab. Yes, thank you so much for watching my previous video about basic Thai words. So today we will be continuing para medyo, syempre, ma-explore natin yung Thai language or mga Thai words. So now, I will be teaching you Thai words by sets. So, I prepared 5 sets of words. Naka-group siya para para hindi tayo mahirapan at syempre, maalala natin agad and easy to remember yung Thai words na ibibigay ko sa inyo. Itong group of words ay normal sa mga Pilipino na mga palakain. So, yung first group of words is are. First set of words are, siyempre, lagi tayong gutom, we are hungry. So if we are hungry, we will eat. So when we eat, we will drink. So after we eat and drink, we are full, busog tayo. So pag full tayo, para tayong mga snakes. Katulad ng mga kaibigan mo dyan na mga snakes. Joke lang. Siyempre, pag full ka, parang sleepy. Gusto mo nang matulog. And after mo maging sleepy, you fell asleep. So if you are hungry, it's you. And if you want to eat, it's gin. And drink is gum. And you are full, it's And if you are sleepy, it's wang. And if you want to fall asleep, it's non. It's you, yin, dum, am, wang, non. That's our first basic set of Thai words. Now let's proceed to the second set of basic Thai words. Pero start muna tayo sa English na words. So sa English we have sitting. Nagugulo kasi yung buho ko. Sitting, standing up, standing, walking, going, and coming. So for the Thai words naman, yung sitting is nong. Yung standing up is look. And then of course, yung walking. Yung walking is darn. Walking is darn. And then going is pie. And coming is ma. So nong, look, your, ayor, yuen, don, pie, and ma. Yan yung second set of Thai words. Let's proceed to the third set of Thai words. For the next set, we have love and like. Yung love at saka like is may pagkaka-iba. Iba yung love, iba yung like. So yung love is rock. Love is rock. And like is cup. Like is cup. That's the way I like it. That's the way I like it. That's the way I like it. Like it. Now let's proceed to the last set of words. Let's proceed. So it's study, listen, speak, read, and listen. So study, write, read, speak, and listen. For the Thai word, study is rian. For write naman, right ha. Right na sulat, hindi right na right or left. Right is kyan. And if you want to read, it's arn. Read is arn. And if you want to speak, it's pod. And if you want to listen, it's fang. So riyan, kian, arn, pod, and fang. So that's it. Thank you so much. Yes, survive. Natapos ko din yung next. Natapos ko din ito. So, I hope may natutunan kayo na bagong learnings, new Thai words naman yung naibigay ko sa inyo. And of course, sana patuloy pa rin kayo sa pagsuporta sa aking mga videos. Sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko, please click lang ng subscribe button. And of course, paki-click ng notification bell below para updated kayo sa mga videos ko. So, thank you so much for watching this video. Love, mwah. And of course, pakiabang-abang kasi gagawa pa ako ng mga susunod na mga videos about sa Thai words. So that's it mga besh. Thank you so much. Love. Bye. Mwah. Bye.